National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Fulton County, Kentucky, northwestern Hickman County, Kentucky, Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, eastern Scott County, Missouri, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Benton to near Big Oak Tree State Park to near Reelfoot Lake State Park, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Scott City, Anniston, Olive Branch, and Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area around 4:20 p.m. Charleston around 4:25 p.m. Hickman, Tams, and Wyatt around 4:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Carroll, Wycliffe, Big Oak Tree State Park, Jordan, Mounds, Barlow, Mound City, La Center, Bardwell, Karnak, and Lovelessville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 3 and 21. Interstate 55 between mile markers 75 and 83. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois, Alexander and Pulaski, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, Carlisle, Fulton, and Hickman. Now for the official National Weather